Put your phone down. Right now. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to dismantle everything you think you know about investing and rebuild it with something that actually works. You've been lied to. The financial industry has sold you a dangerous fantasy that you have to risk your hard-earned money to get any meaningful return. That's garbage. Pure, self-serving garbage designed to keep you scared and your broker rich. Here's the truth that James Harrington has been preaching for over 4 decades. Never lose principal. Ever. I've studied his investment philosophy inside and out. I've watched him dismantle bad deals in boardrooms. I've heard him tell audiences of thousands the same brutal truth I'm about to tell you. And today, I'm giving you his exact playbook for generating monthly income without ever touching your principal. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the thousands of people who are done gambling with their future and ready to build wealth the boring, safe, profitable way. Because what I'm about to show you, 3 specific investments that pay you every single month while keeping every dollar you started with, is information most financial advisors won't share. Not because it's complicated, because it doesn't generate commissions. Let me ask you something. How much money did you lose last year? Not just in the stock market. I'm talking about the silent bleed. The money inflation ate while your cash sat in a savings account paying 0.46%. Meanwhile, real inflation, the actual cost of food, rent, and energy, is running 3% to 5% annually. On $50,000, that's up to $2,250 vanishing every year just for the crime of being responsible. And the stock market? James Harrington calls it a casino for most people. Since 2000, we've had 3 major crashes that wiped out 30 to 50% of portfolio values. Sure, the market recovered. But if you needed that money during the crash, lost your job, got sick, tried to retire, you were destroyed. Forced to sell at the bottom. Principal gone. Game over. That's not investing. That's gambling with your survival. The good news? There is a third way. Wealthy people have been using it forever while the middle class chases stock tips. James Harrington's #1 rule, never lose principal, is the foundation of sustainable wealth. Protect what you have first, then build something real. So here are the 3 investments. Each one pays you monthly. None of them risk your principal. Number 1. Money market funds. Not a bank savings account. A money market fund through Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab invests your cash in ultra-short-term government securities. The net asset value stays fixed at $1 per share. Your principal does not move. Right now, these funds are yielding 4.5 to 5.2% on $50,000. That's roughly $208 per month deposited into your account, while your principal sits completely untouched. Ticker symbols like VMFXX, SPAXXX, or SWVXX. Takes 15 minutes to set up. James Harrington keeps millions here as dry powder, earning income while he waits. Most people leave cash in bank accounts earning nothing because they think moving money is complicated. It's not. 15 minutes. That's it. Number 2. Fixed indexed annuities. I know what you're thinking. Annuities are terrible. Stop. You've heard opinions. I'm giving you facts. James Harrington owns annuities. Here's what a fixed indexed annuity actually is. You give an insurance company a lump sum. They guarantee you will never lose your principal, not $1, even if the market crashes 50%. In exchange, when the market goes up, you get a portion of those gains, typically 60 to 80%, capped at a set percentage. When the market goes down, you get 0 losses. Your account never decreases, and you can structure it to pay monthly income for the rest of your life through a lifetime income rider. Example: you're 60 years old. You put in $200,000 and the contract pays you $833 per month for life, while your original $200,000 remains protected for your heirs. Compare that to withdrawing from a stock portfolio during a crash. Every withdrawal locks in losses. Annuities eliminate that risk completely. Just make sure you're buying from an A+ rated insurance company with a surrender period of 7 years or less, and working with a fee-only fiduciary who earns no commission. Number 3. Short-term Treasury ladders. This is the most boring investment I'll describe today. That's exactly why James Harrington loves it. Boring is beautiful. You buy U.S. Treasury bills maturing at different intervals: 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 13 weeks, 17 weeks. Every time one matures, you reinvest into a new bill. The ladder keeps rolling forever. Treasury bills are backed by the United States government, the same government that has never defaulted in over 200 years. Right now, they're yielding 4.5 to 5.3%. On $100,000, that's roughly $416 per month from the U.S. Treasury, while your principal stays completely intact. You can do this through Treasury Direct, or simply buy ETFs like BIL, SGOV, or USFR through any brokerage. One warning: do not buy long-term bonds. A 10-year Treasury right now yields almost the same as a 4-week bill. But if rates rise, that 10-year bond loses value. Sell early, you lose principal. Stick to under 1 year. No interest rate risk. No credit risk. Monthly income. Principal protection. Now let me show you how James Harrington would deploy $100,000 across all three. $20,000 into a money market fund, your emergency cash earning 5% monthly. $50,000 into a fixed indexed annuity with a lifetime income rider, generating $250 to $350 per month for life, depending on your age. $30,000 into a Treasury ladder, roughly $125 per month backed by the U.S. government. Total result? $500 to $700 per month in income on $100,000, while every single dollar of principal remains intact. Not 1 cent lost. This is exactly how wealthy people structure the conservative portion of their portfolios. You can implement Tranche 1 today in 15 minutes. Tranche 3 takes about an hour. Tranche 2 takes 2 weeks to shop contracts and check ratings. 2 weeks from today, every dollar protected. Every month generating income. Most people watching this will do nothing. They'll save it to a playlist and never act. Don't be that person. Every day you wait is another day inflation destroys your purchasing power. Every day you wait is another day you're one crash away from losing everything. The people who will be financially free 5 years from now are taking action today. Not because they're smarter, but because they're disciplined. James Harrington didn't build his wealth waiting for perfect conditions. He protected his principal first and let compounding do the rest. You can do the same starting tomorrow. Here's what I need from you right now. Hit the like button if this gave you one actionable strategy you didn't have before. Subscribe so you never miss content like this, and comment below. Which of these 3 are you implementing first? Money market funds, fixed indexed annuities, or Treasury ladders? Type it out. Public commitment changes behavior. I'm also releasing a follow-up video showing you how to compare annuity contracts line by line, including the hidden fees insurance companies don't want you to see. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. You already have everything you need to build real wealth. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is action. James Harrington would tell you the same thing I'm telling you now. Never lose principle. Never. And start today.